Imagine waking up to golden light spilling through a panoramic skylight. You're not in a hotel suite, and you're definitely not at home. You're somewhere between the mountains and the sea, parked wherever the day takes you. Coffee brews. Beside a full-sized window view, soft leather seats waiting for you to hit the road again, and that quiet, peaceful feeling that only comes from knowing you could go anywhere, anytime. This isn't just travel. This is luxury living without borders. And today, we're stepping inside a motorhome that redefines what it means to live free in comfort. The Burstner Lyseo T690 SkyLine Edition, a true penthouse on wheels, designed for those who crave space, style, and sophistication wherever they go. In this video, we'll take you on a full walkthrough of the Lyseo T690, exploring its design, craftsmanship, and the smart German engineering that makes it one of the most complete compact luxury RVs in its class. If you've ever dreamed of full-time RV living without giving up the comfort of home, this might just be your dream motorhome. At first glance, the Burstner Lyseo T690 SkyLine Edition stands out with its clean, modern silhouette. Burstner's design language has always focused on harmony and proportion, and you can see that philosophy in every curve of this vehicle. The two-tone bodywork, the smooth side panels, and the aerodynamic profile come together to create a look that's both elegant and efficient on the road. The SkyLine Edition adds subtle yet premium touches, from black alloy wheels and gloss accents to the distinctive panoramic roof dome that runs across the cab. It's not just a design statement. It's functional too. That skylight floods the interior with natural light, giving the feeling of space and openness that's rare in a compact RV, built on the dependable Fiat Ducato chassis. The Lyseo T690 offers stability and confidence, whether you're cruising highways or winding through narrow countryside roads. It stays compact at just under 7 meters, making it surprisingly easy to maneuver, but once you step inside, it feels like a luxury apartment on wheels. From the outside, you'll notice practical touches everywhere. A full-length side awning for shade, integrated LED lighting, a rear storage locker large enough for your camping gear or travel chairs, and sleek flush windows that complement the smooth body lines. Everything about the exterior design reflects Burstner's dedication to form and function, elegance that serves a purpose. Step through the electric entrance door, and instantly, you're greeted by something unexpected, a sense of calm and sophistication that feels more boutique hotel than campervan. The Lyseo's signature thermo floor system ensures that every inch of the interior remains evenly heated, even in cold climates. The double floor design means no awkward steps, no uneven levels, just a seamless, warm, and comfortable surface from the cab to the bedroom. The living area feels remarkably open for its size. A pair of swiveling captain's chairs transform the cab into part of the lounge, joining a plush L-shaped dinette built around a stylish folding table. The seating is upholstered in soft, durable fabric with contrast stitching, and it's all surrounded by refined materials that feel genuinely premium. Above, the panoramic sky roof dome is the real showstopper, a wide, curved skylight that brings in daylight and connects you to your surroundings. Whether you're parked by the ocean or under a starry sky, this feature turns every moment into an experience. As day turns to night, you can switch on the dimmable LED ambient lighting that runs along the ceiling and cabinetry, creating a warm and intimate glow. The color palette inside follows a modern European aesthetic. Soft creams, sand tones, and subtle graphite, balanced with fine wood textures and chrome detailing. It feels timeless, sophisticated, and welcoming. Every detail has been thought through, from the hidden storage compartments to the way the blinds glide smoothly across the windows. It's that quiet precision you expect from German design. You can sit here for hours, reading, relaxing, or just listening to the gentle rain on the skylight above, and you'll understand why so many people call this the coziest living space in its class. Moving into the kitchen area, you'll find a layout that's compact but remarkably functional. It's built for travelers who don't just snack on the go, but actually enjoy cooking wherever they are. There's a 2-burner gas hob, a deep stainless steel sink with a stylish glass cover, and a surprisingly generous 142-liter fridge with a separate freezer compartment, more than enough for extended trips. Every drawer and cabinet feels solid, with soft close mechanisms and thoughtful organization. There's even a pull-out pantry for dry goods and a clever storage nook for utensils and spices. LED lighting under the cabinets keeps the space bright and usable at any time of day, while the countertop finish feels smooth, durable, and elegant, opposite the kitchen. There's additional cabinetry and a designated TV mount area, maintaining that residential flow that Burstner is known for. Even in a compact layout like this, it never feels cramped. Everything has its place and nothing feels forced. Now, moving to the rear, you'll find the sleeping area, one of the Lyseo T690's strongest highlights. The standard layout features 2 single beds, each luxuriously padded and finished with high-quality upholstery. But with the optional center insert, these transform into one massive king-sized bed, perfect for couples or anyone who values space to stretch out. The beds sit high enough to allow for a large garage compartment underneath, accessible both from the interior and from outside the vehicle. It's ideal for storing bicycles, camping furniture, or larger travel gear. The bedroom itself feels serene. Subtle LED reading lights, soft overhead lighting, and side shelving create a tranquil environment that's perfect for unwinding after a long day. Privacy blinds and blackout curtains ensure total darkness when it's time to rest, and the insulated windows keep the temperature comfortable all year round. It's more than a sleeping space. It's a retreat. The kind of place where you can close the door, shut off the world, and feel completely at peace. And yes, even the bathroom area has that Burstner signature touch. Despite the compact footprint, it includes a swivel cassette toilet, a separate enclosed shower with solid doors, and a skylight for natural ventilation. Mirrors are thoughtfully placed to enhance the sense of space, while storage compartments keep essentials neatly tucked away. The materials feel durable and high quality, and the waterproof lining ensures longevity. Everything inside speaks to Burstner's decades of experience building premium motorhomes that can truly handle full-time living. Now, what truly makes the Lyseo T690 SkyLine Edition special isn't just its build or design, it's the way it balances everything so well. Compared to other RVs in this segment, it's the harmony that stands out. Some competitors might offer larger dimensions or more flashy technology, but the Lyseo offers something far more valuable: atmosphere. It's the feeling of openness when light floods through the panoramic roof. It's the warmth of the heated floor under your feet on a cold morning. It's the quiet hum of solid insulation that makes you feel safe and cozy even in a storm. That's what separates a Burstner from the rest. It's not just about luxury, it's about livability. You can tell that this RV was designed not just by engineers, but by people who understand what it means to actually live on the road. Every curve, every switch, every hinge serves a purpose. It's refined but not fragile, beautiful but built to be used. So here's a question for you. If you could live full-time in a luxury RV like this, where would you park it first? Would you choose a panoramic mountain view, a secluded forest surrounded by tall pines, or maybe a seaside cliff where you could fall asleep to the sound of waves? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear where your dream destination would be. The Burstner Lyseo T690 SkyLine Edition isn't just a motorhome. It's a statement that freedom and comfort can coexist beautifully. That you don't need a mansion to feel at home. You just need the right motorhome that lets you take home wherever you go. It's about waking up with a view that changes every day, yet always feels like yours. It's about driving toward the horizon, knowing you'll never have to compromise between adventure and comfort again. If you enjoyed this walkthrough and love exploring the world of luxury RVs, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more in-depth motorhome tours, and join us as we continue discovering the best of life on the road. One incredible RV at a time. Because home isn't a place. It's wherever you decide to park it.